Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Goans not for more green cover in regional plan. 83% asked for new settlement zones remaining for roads, mining and others. Fresh trouble starts brewing between Truck Owners Association and SEZA. Truck owners to halt all transportation till SEZA provides rate of ₹11.27. On last day of filing nominations, Congress skipped 9 wards, goes to poll with only 21 candidates. Total 131 candidates file nomination. Final list on 19 Feb. Difficult to implement blanket ban on bullfights. Government contends before High Court says people for animals fail to make case of contempt. And FIFA delegation satisfied with development of Nehru Stadium for upcoming Under-17 World Cup. Some amendments suggested. Next inspection in October. And now the news in detail. Most of the people are demanding new settlement zone in the regional plan. Objections and suggestions on regional plan mainly demand settlement areas. Altogether, 6,000 suggestions have been received. 83% of that are asking for new settlement zones. 7% are demanding roads and widening of roads, but none of these are asking for any green zones.
History of 2011 has repeated again in the regional plan. Regional plan was kept open for public suggestions and objections for 48 days in December and January. Almost 6,000 inputs were received. Town and Country Planning Department has classified inputs as per objections and suggestions.
Basically, सगळ्यांनी चेंज आमकां अप्लाय जे केल्ले आसा ती चेंज ऑफ झोन फ्रॉम एग्रीकल्चर टू सेटलमेंट और फ्रॉम ऑर्चर्ड टू सेटलमेंट और फ्रॉम इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोन टू सेटलमेंट. सो थ्रस्ट जो आसा लोकांलो तो बेसिकली फॉर चेंज ऑफ झोन फ्रॉम नॉन डेव्हलपेबल झोन टू डेव्हलपेबल झोन. दुसरे जनरल आसा ते तातूंत थोड्यांनी रोड शिफ्टिंगाक लागून म्हणून एप्लाय केल्ले आसा. थोड्यांनी मायनिंग लिजिसा अंडर आसा ताजेर रिकॅटेगरायज करपाक जाय म्हणून एप्लाय केल्ले आसा. प्लस जनरलायज म्हणजे स्क्रॅपिंग ऑफ आरपी म्हणून तीवूय आसात. सो ऑल अशें करून देर आर अदर कॅटेगरीज.
Town and Country Planners' assortment of suggestions and objections clears the mood of Goans regarding regional plan. 5,940 applications received in 2015-2016. 24% for new and old settlements in Eco 1 zone. 59% for non-Eco 1 zones old and new settlements. 7% for new roads and widening. 7% for cancelling the plan and other suggestions. 2% for mining areas. And 83% for settlement. Altogether, 3,146 applications were received on regional plan in 2011.
तेन्ना जेन्ना आमी ओपन केल्लो ऑब्जेक्शन सजेशनां किंवा फॉर कमेंट्स तेन्ना अरावंड आमचे कडेन 3,100 प्लस आशिल्ली. सो तेन्ना पूण ताजेर आमी कांय फायनल डिसिजन घेवून आशिल्ली. सो ताका लागून वी आर क्लबिंग ती प्लस आतांची जी आयिल्ली आसा ती टुगेदर धरून आमी आतां कन्सिडर करतले. ताका लागून आमी कितें केलां आतां पब्लीक नोटीस आमी दिल्ली तेन्ना कॅटेगोरिकली वी हॅव मेन्शन देर की जे लोकांनी तेन्ना दिल्ली तांच्यांनी आतां दिवपाची गरज ना म्हणून. कित्याक ती ऑलरेडी आमची दे आर इन अवर पोजिशन. सो दे वील बी डिसायडेड नाव. आतां आमी ती घेवन बसतली ती पयली दिल्ली ती बी आतां.
More than half of the applications received in 2011 asked for settlement. 2015-2016, the figure has gone way ahead. But government is still not able to set up the state level committee despite of in receipt of suggestions even after a month now. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Fresh trouble has started brewing between Truck Owners Association and SEZA Vedanta. Truck Owners Association has decided to halt the ore transportation unless and until SEZA provides rate of ₹11.27 per ton per kilometer for newly extracted ore. SEZA is firm on ₹8.50. Truck Owners Association claimed that company is misguiding over e-auction ore and freshly mined ore. Truck owners will gather at Usgaon on Wednesday to decide the course of action.
सरकारान आज खरी गरज आसा की हे जे ई ऑक्शन आणि फ्रेश वोट हो जो कुटऱ्याचो खेळ चाललेलो आहा सरकार आनी सेजा गोवा हेच्यामध्ये हो खंय तरी आज बंद करची गरज आसा जेणे करून प्रत्येक ट्रक मालकाक समजतलें की बाबा फ्रेश ओवर चालू आसा काय ई ऑक्शनचो ओवर चालू आसा. जेन्ना आमी ई ऑक्शन रेट फायनल केलो आनी ट्रान्सपोर्ट चालू जालो तेन्ना कंपनीन आमकां सांगलेलें की आमच्यो मागण्यो आसल्यो पयली आमचेर केस घातलेली ती विड्रॉ करता म्हणून सांगलेली अजून विड्रॉ केल्ली ना. आमकां ऑल गोवाक घेवन फ्रेश ओवराचो रेट ठरयता म्हणून सांगलेलो अजून आमकां विश्वासान घेतलेलो ना कंपनीन. आनी जो पर्यंत आमकां विश्वासान घेवन हे रेट ठरना तो पर्यंत फ्रेश ओवर चालू जावचो ना. तसंच हांव सबंद गोंयच्या ट्रक मालकांक सांगता की तेंच्यांनी गाडयो आपल्यो धाडच्यो न्हू गाडयो बंद दवरच्यो आनी कंप्लीट जो पर्यंत रेट फायनल जायना तो पर्यंत काम बंद दवरचें. तशीच फाल्यां सकाळीं अखिल गोवा ट्रक मालक संघटनेच्या सगळ्या ट्रक मालकाची वडा कडेन सकाळीं 10 मिटींग आसा तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी थंय जमचें कित्याक तांकां ही सगळी गजाल सांगपा खातीर.
On the last day of filing nomination, Congress finally skipped 9 wards. Congress panel's 21 candidates filed their nomination on Tuesday. The panel led by Rudresh Sodankar will contest only in 21 wards. Candidates from BJP and Babush's panel too filed nominations. Total 131 candidates from the 3 rival panels are in fray. Scrutiny will be held on 17th and 18th of February, and the final list of valid nominated candidates will be clear only on 19th of February.
So Santinez Nala is one. Garbage treatment plant, Hira petrol pump फाटल्यान आमी wet waste treatment plant चालू केल्लो. पोरू मे म्हयन्यान कंप्लीट जावपाचो. इनफॅक्ट अंदू 8-9 म्हयने चालू आसपाचो. Unfortunately, some people went to NGT, and I respect law, I respect judiciary, and they have given a wonderful judgment. They have seen through their motives, and they have said it's a politically motivated complaint. This should not be taken cognizance of and dismissed. We are starting that plant probably by March end. आमी ते रूप मागीर घालतले पण प्लांटांक मशिनरी बी हाडून आमी तो गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट आमी चालू करता. खुबशे प्रश्न आशिल्ले वन वे आमी सोडयलो. मळ्यांक आमी ब्रिज घेतला एज अ अल्टरनेटीव एंट्री एक्झिट थ्रू पणजी सिटी. बेस्ट इलेक्शन एवरी इयर. 2011 CCP इलेक्शन जाल्लें. 2012 मनोहरभाईचें इलेक्शन जाल्लें. 2013 सोड 2014 नरेंद्र मोदीजींचें इलेक्शन जाल्लें. 2015 म्हजें इलेक्शन जाल्लें. 16 आमी इलेक्शनाचे आसा 17 फुडल्या वर्सा आसा. एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे एवरी इयर इलेक्शनाक वता आनी एवरी इयर पीपल हॅव रिपोज देअर फेथ इन BJP. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे विश्वास लोकांनी वाडीव प्रमाणात दाखयला.
आयज आमचे 21 जाल्ले टोटल
30 आलेले तितून 21 पावपाचें कारण कितें?
9 जाणां आमी थोडे रिजेक्ट केले फॉर्म्स लास्ट मिनिट न्ही थोडे आमी रिजेक्ट केले फॉर्म्स.
What was the reason for you to reject? Any criteria set up?
They all rejects of other party. We didn't want to accept them.
And from 21, how many you all are expecting?
I think we should we expect all 21 to win. Yeah, of course. Decrease the house tax of the public of Panjim, residents of Panjim. That was our main criteria.
I filed as an independent candidate. Basically, the reason why I filed as an independent candidate is because in the CCP there is no role for parties. Like you take the example, in the last election, we had 2 panels, one by Babush and one by Parikar. Now in those panels, 2 ex-mayors from one panel jumped to another panel in the 5 years. So this panel business has no sanctity at all.
The Vasco JMFC court has directed Vasco Railway Police to release passport of terror suspect Samir Sardana. Samir Sardana had approached the court pleading to release his passport and his electronic items including a laptop. The prosecution opposed release of his electronic items, contending that those are required for further forensic analysis, which the court accepted. The investigation agencies are yet to crack his email IDs and verify his email communications. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.